I'm on Fire is a fantastic Bruce Springsteen song that uses just 4 chords. 2 of these chords are bar chords, but I want to show this to you guys so that those of you that are at bar chord level have a great song to work on that's quite quick and easy to learn. We'll also look at how to do the picking just like the original recording, but we'll cover a basic strumming version as well, as you might be used to from my tutorials. Let me know any other Bruce Springsteen or any other 80s songs you'd like me to cover in the comments below, or any lesson suggestions, and let's have a look at this fantastic song. So this song is in the key of E major, and if you're just doing a basic strumming version, playing an E major is absolutely fine. As an alternative to that, to play it more like the original recording, it will be this, which is actually an E5, and that's so we can do the picking pattern that we'll look at in a little second. But let's just think about the E major for now. We then have an A major to C sharp minor, which is our first bar chord. So this is barring at the 4th fret, and we basically play an A minor shape all the way up at the 4th fret, 5th, and then 6th fret. It's a 5th string root note, so string 6 doesn't ring out, and we can make sure that happens by just touching the underside of string 6 with your index finger. Back to A major, and then it's a B major chord, but a B power chord would also suffice, especially for a strumming version. Either of those are absolutely fine. For example, that's how I do a basic strumming version, and that just uses the strumming pattern down, down, up, down, up, down, up per bar. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Great thing to practice, just mute your strings and just down, down, up, down, up, down, up, strum. Try it slowly, make sure you're getting it right. One, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and then try it more up to speed. Keeping those strums really narrow, kind of just on the thicker 4 strings, the ones that look brass coloured. And then in the verses we have, hey little girl, is your daddy home? Did he go and leave you all alone? A major, C sharp minor, A major, B, I'm on fire. And with the strumming, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. And then we're on A major. Got a bad desire. Ooh, I'm on fire. The A major can be played with just the first finger like this, which can be easier for some people to change from A to any bar chord, like C sharp minor. So that's another option. But if we were doing that with the picking, this happens 4 times. For the intro, and then C sharp minor. On string 6, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4. Notice for both the strumming and the picking, I've got my little finger hooked underneath the first string here, which really helps to anchor this and do the small motions that are needed, especially with palm muting. And then in the verse, and then to A major. I got a bad desire. Ooh, I'm on fire. The only time the progression changes from that is over the lyrics. Sometimes it's like someone took a knife, baby, edgy and dull, and cut a 6-inch valley through the middle of my skull. Literally those 3 chords in the middle of the song. That's the only time it changes from this progression of instrumental, E major to C sharp minor, repeated twice in the musical break, and then E major for the verse, A major, bad desire, oh, I'm on fire. It's the same progression throughout other than that. So just for sometimes it's like someone took a knife, baby, edgy and dull, and cut a 6-inch valley through the middle of my skull. Now to wake up with the sheets soaking wet. You know, it's the same from there. So just one more time through that bit. From A major, 2, 3, 4, A major, and cut a 6-inch valley through the middle of my skull. E major. Then A major. Let's have a full playthrough of this song. I'm just going to do the bass in chords and strumming for those of you that need that guidance. Any of you that want to practice the picking over it, I'll be going a little bit slower than the original recording, so a good tempo to practice that picking over before you try and play this up to speed. Let's go through the full song now. So we're going to start off 4 bars of E major and then 4 bars of the C sharp minor twice before the lyrics start. Ready? Join in with me. In 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same as that again. Hey little girl, is your daddy home? Did he go away and leave you all alone? I got a bad desire. Oh, I'm on fire. Tell me now, baby, is he good to you? And will he do all the things that I do? Oh no, I can take you higher. Oh, I'm on fire. That's where we go C sharp minor, E to C sharp minor again. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Back to E major. Sometimes it's like someone took a knife, baby, edgy and dull, cut a 6-inch valley through the middle of my skull. At night I wake up with the sheets soaking wet and a freight train running through the middle of my head. Only you can cool my desire. Oh, I'm on fire. Then we have that chorus again, A major. Oh, I'm on fire. Oh, I'm on fire. And to finish, just E major to C sharp minor. And we'll finish on E major. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's I'm on Fire by Bruce Springsteen. Hope you got on well with that one. Let me know how you got on in the comments below. Let me know any other Bruce Springsteen or 80s songs you want to do, and I'll leave a couple of suggestions on screen now that I think you might enjoy.